Hey guys, so we are back with another video of Discord tutorials for beginners. So in this video we'll be learning how to add friends and how to direct message friends and how to react to messages in the server. So first I'll be teaching you how to react to the message in the server. And my server was boosted, and big thank you to OTK Gamers who boosted our server, and big shout out to you buddy. And please subscribe guys if you haven't, and turn on the bell notifications for freshly brewed updates guys. So as I told you, I'll be showing you how to react to messages. So I've sent a message called hello here in the chat. So if you just want to react to the message hello, just long press the message and you get options here in the above. You get a line of emojis, and if you want more emojis plus the emoji plus mark there, when you press that you get more emojis. For example, I have my custom emojis of my server here. So custom emojis on my server, you can react to anything. For example, I react to the YouTube symbol, so I've reacted here and it got reacted. So this is how you react to the message, and some servers won't be having react to message option because some servers don't allow permission for normal members to react or anything like that, because there will be some restrictions in other servers. For example, so many big servers, they don't allow us to react because it's very big and they have so many people. We cannot just go react like that, right? So if you want to react on the server, I guess you have to complete some steps, or you have to reach some levels for that. Just read the rules and regulations, you can understand that very easily. So this is how you react to a message. And next thing, how to send friend request. For example, there is a guy called RV Toxic Cyber. So he's a guy in the server. Just click on his icon and there you go, you get message, call, video and add friend. You just click on add friend and that's done. So he's like, we have sent a friend request for him, and he just needs to accept it. Or else you they are not in your server, or you have never seen them in Discord, but you know their username. So go to the search icon down there and just type their name. For example, I'll just type my like whatever, you just type RV, but when you type their name, after their name the hashtag symbol should be there, hashtag and their code. The code is, I'll show you, wait, like just click on your profile, you can see here RV hashtag 3448, that is my code. So if you want to send friend request, you can just go to the search button which is there in the below, and you can just type RV hashtag 3448 because that's the main thing and that's the user tag. So that is how you send friend requests. And how to direct message a friend. So just click on RV, anyone, whoever is your friend, click on their name and just click on message. You get an option message, click on that message and you can just start texting them separately. This is called direct message. It's simple guys, it's easy to learn, and I guess that's it for today in this video. Next video I'll be teaching you more guys. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you understood. If there's any queries, I'm asking you guys to just comment down below in the comment section. And my server link is in the description. You can join anytime, you can leave anytime, anything guys. So stay tuned for the next video, which is the third part of Discord tutorials for beginners. So see you guys, and subscribe, like, and like goal is 10 likes, and I'm glad you completed the first video like goal, which was 5 likes, and I've received 17 likes I guess. So thank you for that guys, and please like the video, and the like goal is 10 videos for the third video of Discord tutorials. So see you in the next video guys. Peace out. Bye.